Tuesday. Yep, it's Tuesday. I'm en route, you see. Got the seatbelt on, driving to Oklahoma City. But we got a workshop starting this morning. Me and Ernie. Ernie's riding point. Got there yesterday and going to start the class 9 o'clock this morning. I should be there about 10:30. So come sliding in and teach a little engraving for the next 3 days. Got 3 guys in the class. 2 of them, I know 3 of them. I know all 3 of them really well. It's pretty exciting. So gonna be fun. Gonna be a fun week. Got all our stuff there. Got the shine on it, and can't wait to be in the greatest Western institution in the United States and be with the greatest craftsmen in North America and South America. That old Pablo, we're dragging Pablo Lozano, dragging him up from Argentina. And man, it's just, I can't explain to you guys how beneficial it is to be friends with that quality of people. And to tell you a little bit about the TCAA and the benefits that it has. And you know, it's a lot of work. And you know, creating the 3 best things you've ever made in your entire life each and every year, to some may seem like that's unrealistic. I would not be the maker I am today without the opportunity to build the things that I do for this show each and every year. And are there years that you're going, holy mackerel, what am I going to do? Is that going on right now? Yes. August 1st is coming up, 2023. That's my deadline. But man, to have that privilege, to have that opportunity, and to hang out with the absolute best, I promise you is incredible. And I can't wait to see everybody and have a big old time. And you know, the passion and the inspiration that comes from it, it's hard to explain. We all get in a room and we're all 12 very strong individuals that have been very determined throughout our lives and our careers to excel at what we do. And we all have definite ideas about how things could go. And you throw all 12 of us in the room and sometimes it looks like a big old dogfight. But we all love each other, and we're trying to do the best we can and run our individual businesses and do the best we can for the group and for our industry. And our mission is to preserve and promote bit and spur making, saddle making, silversmith, and rawhide braiding, and the roles they play in our Western culture. And it's extremely important to each and every one of us. So I can't wait to be there. And I've yet to be one of these things that I didn't go home just fired up and ready to go at it. Exhausted. You know, I'll tell y'all by Sunday midday, I'm going to be like, peace out, bros. I'm out of here. Time to roll. But get back to Texas. And they all make fun of me when I say that. They said, where are you going, Willie? I said, I'm going to Texas. They said, I thought you were going home. I said, that is home. Texas. Oh, well. Pick on Texas. It's all good. We're used to it. So, anyhow, I'll be shuffling between the meeting. Business meeting starts in the morning for the group. And our workshop will be rocking and rolling, so I'll be shuffling back and forth, dancing. When one of them gets tired of me talking, I'll go see the other ones. So, anyhow, we start that tomorrow, and away we go. Patreon's rolling. Patreon, I'm sorry, I'll probably be lacking a little bit this week. Won't be a lot going on. I'm not in the shop, but the bit and spur deal last weekend at Matt Humphreys and Dickens was incredible. Matt and Troy, thank you guys so much for including me. I had a few of the participants say, Willie, when are you going to demonstrate? Well, I was the John Madden. I was a commentator. Now, I ain't no C-Gib. For y'all that don't know Colin Gibson, C-Gib is the John Madden of the bit and spur world, and y'all think I can talk. That guy can fill space with verbiage, I promise. Wonderful. C-Gib, told you I'd shout out. Anyhow, we had a great time. Shot the anvil up in the air. Thanks, Jim Poor, for creating a little explosion and a little excitement. And watched Jim Poor and Sam Gooding, Cotton Elliott, man, a sundry of other folks that bang on metal. It was awesome seeing all that happen. And I got to tell you, man, I want more tools, more toys. For those of y'all that walked in my shop, I got a shop full of toys and tools, but I can't wait to get some more. It's fun. It's fun to see that. It's fun to create, and away we go. And so last week was about our peers and all that, and this week certainly going to be some peers. And for all you guys going to be there to see the inspiration of the TCAA show, and I can't wait to talk to you. But it's also, this week is going to be a great opportunity to find the lovers of the West and the Western culture. And, for those of us who just want to grow up and be a cowboy one day, I can't wait to connect with y'all and have some fun and to share the Wild Wild West. And man, there's just not a better place than that museum. So anyhow, rambling on, I think y'all get the gist though. It's going to be a pretty exciting week. If y'all get there to see us, man, make sure to come stop and say hello. More than likely, I will be jabberjawing. But just poke me on the way by if you can't break in. And if you can, we'll stop and we'll have a visit. See y'all next time. Adios.